Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Afro Think Tank. Y'all want to see some cute stuff? Some cute overload? Check this out. It's my goats, my chickens. I'm feeding them. Yeah. Look at this little dog. Tell me this little thing ain't cute. Look at it. I'm trying to hook the goat up. I say now. Let me hook you up over there. What you got going on? This goat's over here trying to steal it. You trying to steal. That's your problem. Yeah, let me just hook you up since you all about it. But look at this daggone dog. It's ridiculously cute. And then here this one. Thief. Thief. Look at that. Huh? No sharing at all. Oh. Mama, you want some more? Oh. Look at that. Ridiculous. Yep, he done got to it. He done got to it. That was cute, huh? These are my little animals. They just running around. Ain't nothing. I got my own petting zoo. I got some guinea fowl around here somewhere. You know guinea fowls? They be whooping the goddamn rooster's ass. I got 4 roosters running around here, right? They're supposed to be top bird. But them goddamn guinea fowls ain't no joke. I mean, I got them ducks. The guinea fowls don't mess with the ducks. I got ducks over there. You know, but these badass roosters, look. I mean, this one's just... I don't know where the guinea fowl is. I honestly don't know where they are, actually. They might have flew out. Like, the guinea fowl can fly. They'll come back. I got like 2 of them. But yeah, they like bosses. They be beating up the roosters and whatnot. Anyway. Look at this dog. Huh? Isn't that cute? It's hard to get cuter than this, you know? Until you get to this one. All right, and this is ridiculous, right? Look at that. This dog. This is like my 4th generation dog. Like her great grand. I had her great. Hold on, what is this? It's a boy. His great grandmother. Okay, that's how many generations of dogs I got here. I got great grand dogs. This one too is a great grand dog of my original dog. And I breed dogs and I sell them. So that's it. Oh, here's my duck. One of my ducks. He just doing his thing. I say now. All right? Look at that. All of them living in some potico. Whatnot. Yes, bring that one. So I've been trying to catch a goddamn. Which one of these is cuter? That's the question. Which one of these are cuter? tough competition. All right. You got the goat. You got the little teeny weeny puppy. You tell me in the comment section which one of these is winning in the cute contest. That's all I want to know. All right. It's a hot debate. You know, whether the little baby goat is cuter. All right. This is a pygmy Nigerian goat. Or this teeny weeny, obviously, clearly, freaking runt of a puppy. I just thought I'd show you that cuteness. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section. It's Afro Think Tank. Learn something, teach something. I'm out.
Free Sudan! Boycott diamonds and gold! Free Sudan! Boycott diamonds and gold! We most definitely cannot forget about the people of Sudan!
Thanks for watching Afro Think Tank. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Substack and Patreon for more content. Remember, it's Pan-Africanism or nothing.